In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change someone's name in messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messages app and then just enter a conversation. Now guys, to change that user's name on Messages and for the phone app as well, we need to tap right here at the very top, then tap Add Info. That will open up that user's contact card where we need to hit Add Edit, and on the next step down below here we can easily edit first name, last name and any other details for the particular contact. Once you have made all the changes, to save them, tap right here at Done. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.